Afternoon guys, it's James, another video for Motorhome Retrofits and another motorhome in for the Ducato front side steps. So this is a 2021. It's a Fiat Ducato chassis, but on a Benimar Coachbuilt motorhome, and these guys have come down to see us for our Ducato side steps. So this is slightly different to the last video we did, because the last video we did was a slide door conversion. This is slightly different because you've got the big fairing here for the Coachbuilt GRP, which means that the side steps look a little bit more in keeping with the vehicle. So same principle, we fitted a front side step to the passenger side front and the driver side front, and both these customers have both said actually getting in and out of the van is a real struggle. So the reason why we fit these steps is because now, as soon as we open the door and get into the vehicle like so, it just means that we've got a little bit more ease of access. We can step up onto the step and get in, and then when we come back out again, we've got all of our weight on the step, which is bolted to the chassis of the motorhome. So this is a 2021. It's a Benimar Milio. It doesn't matter what you've got, whether it's a slide door conversion, whether it's a coach built, whether it's a panel van, we do a side step for this, and it will mean that you don't need to worry about hurting you or your legs or falling out of the van or falling into the van. This side step is going to mean that you can put all your weight down and get in and out of the vehicle easily. So if you haven't seen our other video, check it out, and you can get all of this. It has to be supplied and fitted down here in Dorset, which is where we're based. You can come down and see the beautiful Jurassic coastline, but if you've got any questions about compatibility and prices, don't forget to fill out the contact form. Get in touch with us. I'm losing my voice. I will ask for some photos and other information about your motorhome. The main thing is that we can get this done for you and solve all your problems. So don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.